What do you get when you mix an adorable kitten, a powerful laser, and a little creativity? Some seriously incredible custom keychains. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to engrave intricate designs and photos onto shiny metal surfaces like jewelry using the WeCreat Vista 2-watt infrared laser engraving machine. I took a photo of our new kitten Goose and turned it into 4 stunningly detailed stainless steel keychains right in my craft room using the WeCreat Vista 2-watt IR laser. And let me tell you, the results were mind-blowing. This machine is great for laser engraving shiny metal surfaces like custom jewelry, flasks, name plaques, trophies, medals, and so much more. Let's dive into how it works, why I love it, and show you some of the awesome projects that I've made. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Kerri. My YouTube channel used to be called Cricketer because when I started it, I was solely focused on cricket machines. But over the years, I've branched out into other crafts like sublimation printing, DTF printing, and of course laser engraving, so I felt like that name didn't fit my channel anymore. I recently changed the name from Cricketer to Kerri Crafts It. It's still the same great content as before, but with a fresh new name. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. I also just finished writing Cricut for Dummies, which will be released in June, but is already out for pre-order. Grab yourself a copy through the link in my video description to learn how to master your Cricut machine. But today's video is all about the WeCreat Vista 2-watt IR Laser Engraver, so let's dive in. Meet the WeCreat Vista 2-watt IR Laser. This machine is small, sleek, and super beginner-friendly. It comes in white, pink, and blue. I have the white model, but I'm absolutely obsessed with the new pink version. It uses a 2-watt infrared laser, which makes it powerful enough to engrave directly onto metal, plastic, leather, and more. No extra sprays or prep needed. That alone puts it way ahead of many diode lasers that can't engrave on metal without extra steps. Some packages also come with interchangeable laser modules, which means that you can switch between the IR laser for fine metal engraving and a diode laser for cutting and engraving materials like wood. It gives you the best of both worlds without needing 2 separate machines. Thanks to its flip laser design, the Vista is incredibly compact, but still capable of engraving larger objects like 40-ounce tumblers. Instead of needing extra vertical space like other machines, this one engraves from the side, saving room in your workspace. Here's a feature that I can't stop talking about, the camera. The WeCreat Vista gives you a live preview of your workspace right on your computer screen. That means you can see exactly where your materials are placed and drag your design to match. No guessing or hoping you lined it up right. This is great for batch laser engraving, which speeds up the process by allowing you to engrave multiple items at the same time. The camera makes it easy to engrave on tiny, tricky objects like necklace pendants, rings, and even toothpicks. Because the Vista's laser spot size is so fine, you get super crisp detail on even the smallest pieces. This is a huge deal for jewelry makers and anyone who wants professional level results. For my first big test, I decided to engrave a high detail photo of little Goosey onto 4 round stainless steel keychains. Here's how it went. I placed the 4 blanks inside the machine. I made sure to place one under the red dot the Vista uses to measure materials for autofocus. The first time I tried to autofocus, it failed because the keychains were too shiny. I had to place a piece of paper on top for the autofocus to work successfully. Then I removed the paper and refreshed the camera again so that I could work without the paper on the screen. I uploaded Goose's picture into the software. I just dragged and dropped the file from the File Explorer, but you can also click on the Import button on the left side of the WeCreat Make It software and select your design. I resized the photo and placed it on one of the pendants. Then I clicked on Image Processing. This opens this image processing window. I changed the settings so I can get a better quality image. I set line density to 250. I adjust sharpness to about 80. The material was already set to stainless steel, but if it wasn't, you would select it from the material library. I clicked the material settings grid and set the power to 100 and the speed to 10 by clicking the bottom left box in the grid. Next, I made 3 more copies of the image, one for each blank, and positioned them on each pendant, using the camera view to position each image right in the center of each keychain. Once everything looked good, I clicked Start. The machine takes a minute to process the images, and then the whole preview shows up. Check your placement one final time before you click send. When it's ready, the software tells you to close the machine and press the button on the lid. Now you can sit back and watch in awe as the laser carves out all of the sharp, intricate details of your design into the metal. Look at this, every little fur detail came through, even on that tiny surface. I didn't stop at Goosey though. Here are a few more projects that really showed off what the WeCreat Vista's infrared laser module can do. My Bakshi painted a sweet family of white bears on a piece of slate. I took a photo of the painting and engraved it onto a slate coaster. It turned out beautifully, like a mini version of the original artwork that I can pass out to all of the family. Callie's our other cat, and I wanted to try something even smaller. I engraved her photo onto a tiny brass pendant, and the detail was still crystal clear. I also engraved my daughter's name onto a brass charm to create a custom necklace. Super simple, but so satisfying to see it come to life. If you're into making custom gifts or want to try your hand at personalized jewelry, this laser makes it easy to do that right from your desk. And thanks to the Vista's precise camera alignment and small laser spot size, these tiny projects come out clean and professional every time. After trying out all of these projects and seeing the results up close, I can honestly say that the WeCreat Vista 2-watt IR laser is one of the most fun and useful tools in my craft room. It's compact, beginner-friendly, and totally packed with features like the interchangeable laser modules, precision camera, and the flip laser design that saves serious space. I've engraved everything from jewelry to slate coasters to tiny pet portraits, and everything has turned out fantastic. Now I just have to work on uploading all of these new projects to my Etsy shop so I can really start making some money with this laser engraver. If you're thinking about getting into laser engraving or you're ready to level up your small business, I highly recommend grabbing the Vista. You'll be amazed at what you can make with it. Click the link in my video description if you're interested in learning more about the WeCreat Vista and to make a purchase. Since I'm a part of their affiliate program, I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you if you make a purchase through my link. Oh, and don't forget, Cricut for Dummies comes out June 24th, so pre-order your copy now so you can get the book as soon as it hits the shelves. If you want to see more of what you can make with the WeCreat laser engravers, check out this playlist coming up next.